Hi everybody, today I will show how to let your iPad as a TV monitor for your camcorder. Okay. Please note, it is just a monitor, iPad as a monitor. There is no live streaming function, just as a TV monitor. Okay. I will introduce you my product. This is UVC webcam to lightning adapter. This is FEBON AAA UVC HDR capture grabber card. Total is USD 139 USD dollars. Total is $139 USD dollars together. Connect together. Okay, I'll show you how to do. First, connect the power, DC 5 voltage power, and then use the lightning cable. This is a lightning cable you need to prepare by yourself. And then connect it. Okay. And then plug this is the HDMI cable. Connect it. Okay. Turn on app. Okay, you can see the video. Okay, the video is from the camcorder. You see, the video is from the camcorder. Okay, your iPad as a TV monitor. iPad as a TV monitor. Okay, this is a Sony camcorder. Run in. Okay, run in. Run out. Run in. Run out. Okay, I will try another one. This is the SONY RX100. Plug it. Okay, you can see. Run in. Run out. Run in. Run out. Okay. This is the Sony RX100 camera. And then this is the GoPro Hero 7. GoPro Hero 7. Okay. GoPro Hero 7. Okay. GoPro Hero 7.